Hello everyone, my name is Moreno Aguiari. I'm one of the volunteers at the CAF Airbase, Georgia, one of the largest units of the commemorative Air Force, the largest flying museum in the world. We have 9 flying Warbirds here in Atlanta, and today we are here to endorse a great product that our friends at AirCorps Aviation have sent us to test out here in the hangar. We have several volunteer mechanics here at the CAF that keep our airplanes flying, so AirCorps thought it made sense to send it to us to test it out. This is a very great product, guys. It's called SurfaceLiner, and essentially it is a padded, highly absorbent, extremely durable, and reusable protection solution for warbirds, aircraft, but even classic cars or any surface that requires a protection. This is a self-sticking product with a self-sticking backing that allows really for a quick and easy one-man application, and it's really an edge-to-edge vertical fit. The great part of the product is that you can apply it, remove it, put it back on as many times as you want, and really it won't peel the paint off the airplane. As you can see, it sticks vertical to any surface, but what we like is the fact that you can really cut it to shape to access panels and protect the area around the panels. You can also see in this specific case, you can make circles. It's really a great product, and the guys here at the hangars love it. The product comes in this very easy to use and work with roll. You can unroll it, roll it back up, store it anywhere, and the guys here at the shop really love it, and we are definitely going to place an order for more rolls. We would like to thank AirCorps Aviation for allowing us to test this great product and to support the Warbird community with everything they do to keep these airplanes flying.
As my dad said, SurfaceLiner protects anything.